Having the right gaming PC can completely change the quality of your gaming experience. In this video, I'll break down the top 7 best gaming PCs this year. I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, whether it's price, performance, or quality. Now, let's get started. Number 7. Best for amazingly quiet cooling is the Orion Chronos V3. With its outrageous price, the Orion Chronos V3 is not for those on a tight budget, but if you can afford it, this small mid-tower option is worthwhile for a number of reasons. It feels like you're building your own PC without doing all the work, because despite being small and portable, it is highly customizable. Additionally, the design is excellent and looks great. It is also incredibly powerful. During testing, our own review configuration delivered fluid 1450p gaming on the highest settings. Frame rates for our benchmark test in Total War, Warhammer 3, and Dirt 5 all surpassed 200 when playing on ultra settings. It's as quiet as a mouse though, which is the most crucial aspect. Even when it was pushed and running at full throttle during our use, it remained quiet. Apart from the cost, the only drawbacks are that it is not upgradable, making it less future-proof, and that accessing the ports requires some adjustment. However, if you want a strong gaming PC that keeps your gaming area quiet, this is the one to get. Number 6. Best budget is the NZXT Player 1. The NZXT Player 1 is a great entry-level option if you're on a tight budget and don't mind a gaming PC with less potent components. A GeForce RTX 3060 Intel Core i5, 16GB of RAM, and 500GB of storage are all available for less than $1,000. According to NZXT, that amount of power will allow for 170 frames per second when playing GTA 5 at 1080p resolution. The business offers a boutique experience by offering skilled assembly, customer support, and a warranty that includes product repairs, failure protection, and more. In order to enable faster frame rates and real-time ray tracing, the Player One also supports GPU overclocking, additional RAM up to 32GB, and storage up to 2TB. Upgrades are also available, enabling you to meet the requirements of AAA gaming. The tower that houses the parts has a simple design that emphasizes airflow to keep temperatures down. To help manage performance, temperatures, and other factors, NZXT also provides a specially designed PC monitoring app. Number 5. The best mid-range is the HP Omen 30L. Check out HP's Omen 30L line if you don't want to build your own PC, or you've had no luck with the current GPU market, but still want a powerful desktop for some next-generation gaming. This PC, which was specially built inside a sleek Omen chassis, provides a larger platform than the 25L to harness some larger components. With a 10th generation Intel processor and RTX 2080 Super GPU, the HP Omen 30L we've reviewed also has some stylish, understated RGB lighting, although more expensive models with the RTX 3000 series cards are available, though be ready for all kinds of stock fluctuation given that it is 2023. This version costs $1,999 with a year's warranty included. 2 tempered glass panels in this case let you show off your system, and it has great ventilation and easy access for setting things up just right. Even though it isn't the cleanest interior we've seen in the best gaming PCs, the performance speaks for itself. With its liquid-cooled processor, the RTX 2080 Super GPU is still a beast at 1440p and respectable in 4K too, even when playing the most taxing games. We recommend the Omen 30L because HP has shown that it is serious about pre-built computers. Number 4. Best beginner is the Acer Predator Orion 3000. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a mid-sized gaming PC that is stylish, reasonably priced, and excellent for playing games at 1080p to 1440p. The built-in keyboard and mouse are a major letdown, and it's not a great option if you want to play games at 4K. Because our review unit had only 16GB of RAM when it was delivered, it performed a little worse in our battery of performance tests than some gaming PCs with comparable prices. However, the case is organized and simple to open, so it should be fairly simple to upgrade this machine with more RAM when you need it. Acer's Predator Orion 3000 is a fantastic first gaming PC for someone looking to get into the hobby, thanks to its affordable price, robust components, and stylish, approachable case. Number 3. best mini is the Corsair ONE A200. As someone who has spent a lot of time with a Corsair gaming PC that can only be described as a hulking great mass, I can't begin to tell you how amazing it is to find a high-end gaming PC that is as portable as the ONE A200 we previously reviewed, the ONE Pro i180 under the Corsair ONE brand in 2019. Additionally, recommendations for small gaming PCs frequently include the i300. The A200, however, combines two highly sought-after parts from the previous few years in a comparably small case. You frequently have to make more noise and space compromises as you look for high-end gaming PCs. Most PC gamers start considering large cases the moment an RTX 3080 is mentioned. The A200 manages to house it while keeping things quiet, effective, and cool. This is a fantastic option for anyone looking for the next level of gaming PC power because it has a strong memory and storage capabilities. However, it isn't the cheapest, and even though the ONE case offers a wide range of configurations, the A200's availability is dependent on the GPU and CPU being in stock. Number 2. Best high-end is the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i. One of the most well-known PC manufacturers is Lenovo, and over time, its Legion line of gaming laptops and desktops has improved significantly. Its newest gaming notebooks have won our hearts, and this desktop computer is also very affordable. In our experience, Lenovo gaming PCs are consistently well-built and dependable, albeit perhaps not the best value for the money. Not with this fantastic RTX 4080 powered system though, as it is a beast. The 24-thread Raptor Lake Core i7 CPU and the 16GB DDR5 5600 memory are both serious components. Just like the GPU, the Legion Tower's 512GB SSD, which is incredibly meager, is the only aspect of it that really irritates us. That's absurd given the state of the market today, but since 1TB and 2TB SSDs are now so affordable, upgrading isn't as difficult when you do fill it up. Number 1. Best overall is the Alienware Aurora R15. The Alienware Aurora R15 builds on the strengths of the R13 and R14 to create an incredible gaming powerhouse. The company's rig is dependable and stands out with distinctive aesthetics, despite the fact that it is not a perfect system, and Dell's commitment to using proprietary parts endures. This system might not be for you if you're not a fan of unusual looking PC cases, but if you're interested in an outlandish boutique build, the Alienware Aurora R15 we reviewed didn't even remotely skimp on specs, sporting a monstrous RTX 4090, an Intel Core i9 13600K, and 32GB DDR5 RAM. The system easily handled taxing games during benchmarking, such as Total War, Warhammer 3, and Cyberpunk 2077, and it reliably rolled natural 20s when running a variety of Baldur's Gate 3 settings. Even ray tracing is unable to stop this cosmic system's ability to increase frame rates when we're talking about triple-digit frame rates. Even though we were blown away by the R15's state-of-the-art performance, there are a few drawbacks to take into account before purchasing this interstellar system. To start, its shell won't appeal to everyone because of how much plastic is used to give it an unusual appearance. As a result, you might occasionally hear some strange noises as temperatures rise and fall, which is unsettling if you're expecting the usual fan acoustics. The R15's biggest drawback, however, is its inability to be upgraded due to its non-standard motherboard. You only have a few RAM options because it only has 2 DIMM slots, similar to a lot of ITX small form factor motherboards. Additionally, there isn't much space inside the case to work with because Dell carefully positioned its liquid cooling system among other tightly fitting components. On the other hand, the R15 will continue to deliver outstanding performance if you're more likely to simply purchase a new setup rather than fiddle with your current one. Now, after watching this video, you may want to take a look at this video too. I'll see you over there. Bye!